Now, because of job losses and other issues tied to COVID this year, going hungry for the holidays is a looming threat for so many more Southern Californians. As NBC4's Beverly White shows us, armies of volunteers and helpers are out there to keep that from happening.
Like a bucket brigade with boxes, we found Foothill Unity Center staff and volunteers packing groceries outdoors, socially distant due to the pandemic, combating Thanksgiving food insecurity in a dozen San Gabriel Valley cities.
During the pandemic are serving even more, and our numbers of people coming and needing help through this year have tripled.
COVID issues also limited who could volunteer.
We had to do this event with 50 volunteers. Normally we'll have 250 to about 300 volunteers that come and assist us during this time, but because of COVID, we had to restrict the age limit to 16 years and older.
The Foothill Unity Center will also benefit this Saturday from a food and PPE collection event at this Denny's in Arcadia. The Day of Giving hosted by local businesses and Arcadia Unified Schools, and the knowledge need knows no season.
Oh my goodness.
Rachel Black knows. After losing her job of 31 years, she became a Foothill client.
I needed support, and so I came here to receive services. And then a couple months after that, I started volunteering, and it's been great.
Chickens, turkeys, and fresh produce will be added to next week's giveaway of 3,300 boxes. Workers say the struggle runs deep, yet their mission is simple.
Giving people a festive food box so that they can have a festive holiday just like everybody else.
You don't know what their situation is at home under the COVID environment. This pandemic is real.
We're waiting for one item here.
In Monrovia, Beverly White, NBC4 News.